Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by backing up because you may need to restore settings. Once done, remove any case or screen protector and dry the sensor and your finger. Debris often causes failures. Next, restart the phone. Hold the side and a volume button, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and power back on. Make sure Touch ID attempts immediately after restart. If it still fails, proceed to re-enroll fingerprints and check software settings for the next step. You delete old fingerprints first to remove corrupted data, then re-enroll prints one at a time so the sensor maps full edges and center consistently. When adding prints, press gently and lift slightly to capture different angles. Include thumb and index variations. After enrollment, check settings for an iOS update and install it, because software patches fix sensor logic. Once updated, reboot again and test Touch ID multiple times in different apps to confirm it's responsive and consistent under normal conditions. You now verify hardware. Look for corrosion, debris, or a loose home button and clean gently with a dry, lint-free cloth. Avoid liquids. If Touch ID still fails, perform a DFU restore. Connect to a computer, enter DFU mode, and restore iOS. This rules out deep software faults. If the problem persists after DFU, the sensor or home button assembly is likely damaged. Make an appointment at an Apple store or certified repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.